if you want to transfer data from your old phone to Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the best way to do so is by using the MI Mover app, which is pre-installed on this device. You can also download it on the old device in order to transfer necessary files. In order to download it, you can use the Play Store, for example, and you can search for this app, MI Mover. And of course, it's this one over here. Once you have it on your old device, you want to open it, and the same goes with your new device. So here you want to open it, let's go. Here, if you see this information, then we need to agree. There we go. We want to select that this is our new device, whereas this one is of course our old one. So we have this only one option, mostly because, well, this is not exactly a Xiaomi device. Then over here we need to select our old device. So in my case I need to select Android, because it is not Xiaomi nor Redmi. And let's allow access. There we go. Then if you have already the app installed, then you want to press installed. If not, then you can scan the QR code in order to find that app. But since you have already at this point downloaded, I assume, the app, then you want to open it, and let's press installed. And there we go. We are now creating the hotspot, and we have the name of our device. And now on our old device, we should be able to find our device. If it doesn't appear, then we might need to go back and go to the old option again. And there we go, we have detected our device. If you still have issues, then you have the option to connect manually, so you can press this text over here, and then here as well. So let's just tap over here on the old device. As you can see, we are connecting now. Here on our old device, now we can choose what we want to transfer. So we have the option to transfer images, audio, video, and document files, third-party apps, and messages, contacts, and call history. In my case, I don't have any of that, so I cannot select it. And you need to simply press send in order to start transferring. Once you do, you will see that information that all the files are being transferred. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!